In theory, the size of Nicky Minaj's butt alone would not directly determine whether or not it would make clapping noises. The sound of clapping is produced when two surfaces come in contact with enough force to create a sound. Therefore, the size of her butt would not be the determining factor, but rather the force applied when her butt comes in contact with another surface. It's important to note that this question is purely hypothetical and not related to any academic subject. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask